How to save a Word document as PDF file. Hello everyone, this is Sabdina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser of your choice, then search for I love PDF. Open the website. Then you will see an option of Word to PDF over here. Open this and now select your Word file. After that, confirm converting it to a PDF file and you will be done. So the process is very simple. You can use this website for several functionalities regarding PDF. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.